Hey guys, it's your girl Serena back again with another YouTube video. I decided to take these braids down because I have them for about 3 weeks now and they're quite stale. So we're gonna be taking these braids out.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing.
So just to draw a little reference, I had work today and I stopped by the library, you would say, and I bought this book. So it's named The Subtle Art of Not Giving Up. Blank. I learned so much already. 9 chapters in total. I'm gonna just read the titles of the chapters for you guys. Chapter 1, Don't Try. Chapter 2, Happiness is a Problem. Chapter 3, You Are Not Special. Chapter 4, The Value of Suffering. Chapter 5, You Are Always Choosing. Chapter 6, You're Wrong About Everything. Chapter 7, Failure is the Way Forward. Chapter 8, The Importance of Saying No. Very important. Chapter 9, And Then You Die. The end. Doesn't really say at the end. I'm only in chapter 1, page 7, and it opened my eyes to so many things, and I can't wait to actually share this book on my Instagram story tomorrow because it is definitely something to get, you know. This will be the book that I'll be reading for the month of November.
Can you not play that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rest. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig. She telling me Tay is the best. Pointed them nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the net. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you won't get stretched. Bring Drake to the hood. Surround Drake, around Drake. Even though I got a K, I'ma do what it takes. And I've never been embraced. And the money's hard to make. So I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
It feels so good to have my hair back. Oh yeah, last night I shaved my face for the first time. I don't know if y'all realize, but my face is like less shiny slash glowy. Of course y'all seeing the glow, but it's not like greasy looking. So yeah, I did shave my face last night. And I do not regret. I do not regret, no. Not at all. I still have to test it out with makeup on to see how it's holds and stuff, but it's doing good. I'll insert some clips of what I got from last night when I was shaving my face. You guys will see the excess sebum and everything, all the hair, because I never ever shaved my face, so it was basically the first time shaving my face. It was definitely the first time because I never shaved my face before, and I shared it on Instagram and I did get some questions. So I used my moisturizer to shave, then I used water to shave for the second time, then I added this aloe vera gel onto my face and I slept with it, so I'm gonna insert pictures of that as well right here so y'all could see.
Even though I got a K, I'ma do what it takes. And I've never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Yeah, what in the
baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be okay.
Good morning. It is Sunday, October 30th. 2 days until November. I woke up a minute ago. I've been watching Shalea's YouTube video concerning her 21st birthday trip ruined. So it's like very, very heartbreaking. But I honestly pick her side because I've been watching her and Saria for a while now, and I've seen their vibe, I've seen who they are as a person. But anyways, we're not here to speak about that, but it's just sad. Honestly, it's just sad, and I understand her frustration. And I was watching a YouTube video where my battery went dead on my computer, so I was like, I'm gonna listen to the rest after the part 2 and everything after. So yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments, because this is definitely not something easy. Honestly, I don't really know what to do right now. I feel a bit lost. I think that I should probably, I would normally go back to sleep, but I can't really go back to sleep. I'll just go lay down. But yeah, I just feel like a bad vibe is trying to catch me. But last night I put together my goals for November. So I have my little list as usual. I did the same thing for September and October. And for September I did get all of my goals done, so they was pretty much realistic. For October, 2 aren't done yet because I need to see if I get these done. But you could say 4 out of 6, 4 out of 7 was achieved, you could say. And in November, hopefully my goals are realistic enough. I think that they're realistic enough. Yeah, you know, weight gain, school, follower counts, brand collabs and stuff. The usual, basically. The usual. So that's that. So this is my book for all of my, what's that saying on Instagram? So that is my little book for my goals, my monthly goals. Why did I come on camera this morning? I don't know. Yeah, that's it. Hi guys, it's your girl. I'm back. It is Monday, October 31st. Well, I got this job today, first of all, to have my things in it. So I'm currently putting my stuff in it. I already put my hair products inside, and I'm now doing my makeup basket. And yeah, things are coming together and I'm super happy. There will be a big change in a couple months, but for now I'm gonna leave it as a surprise. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this drawer together, make everything look neat and nice, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys because we have more things to clean and organize for the new month.
Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they the whole thing, slow down, baby. We took a trip, now now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? 'Cause we do not listen to.
Okay guys, so I am done. I did some dresses, some tops for at home, shorts, tops for school, cold weather clothing you could say. Then I have jeans, dresses, more cold weather clothing like sweaters and stuff. Then I have like 1 or 2 little dress pants at the bottom, and I also have like skirts right here. Then at the bottom we have my skincare stuff, hair care, and then makeup. So that's how it is, all organized. And oh shit. Guys, I almost break. Why did I think that was gonna go good? Why? Obviously it's gonna drop. Anyways, I still have 1 or 2 clothing in this basket that I'm probably gonna sell or give away. And I have some clothing right here that I'm gonna put on my Vinted to sell. If you're interested in buying any clothing from my Vinted, then my Vinted is linked in the description box. Where's my phone? Miss my 20 euro.
Man, put it. You didn't have it on there?
I had it right here with me. Found it.
We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? 'Cause we do not listen to rest.